Hi guys, I'm Bob of Totally Unique Life, and I'm here today. I'm working on a project in my shed. I'm adding some insulation to the ceiling of my shed. I've done the walls with some polypro foam, and I'm doing the ceiling with this Rockwool battens. They're about 47 inches long, about 4 inches wide, and so I'm using this GripRite Insulation knife. So I'm going to review it here today. It's very similar to a bread knife. I guess if you had a bread knife that you wanted to use on insulation, then you could use a bread knife instead of this insulation knife. But for 10 bucks, roughly 10 bucks, I bought it at Lowe's. So I'll definitely leave a link in the description. So now I'm going to just test it out on this insulation. I'm basically just going to take it out of the package. It has a plastic handle, a serrated knife. Actually, it looks a lot like a bread knife. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to cut this piece of insulation in half. Essentially, going to just put it right here and just start slicing. And you can see it just goes through this material like butter. That's all there is to it. Cuts like butter. So I think, to be honest, you can't go wrong with this fairly reasonable GripRite insulation knife. Check it out.